My name is Boo, and this is my friend Olivia. We're both super excited because summer's almost here, and we're busy planning our perfect holiday adventure. Let's guess. Where will we go? I can't believe summer's almost here, Olivia. Where do you think we should go this year?
Mom and Dad mentioned a few options. The beach again, maybe a city trip to see some museums, or a tropical forest. Forests are usually just trees and bugs.
That's where you're wrong. Tropical forests aren't just any forests. Imagine giant, colorful birds flying overhead and monkeys swinging through the trees. We could see waterfalls splashing down into clear pools, and maybe even find some really cool, hidden caves.
But what about swimming and building sandcastles?
We can swim in the forest too, silly. There are rivers and lagoons, and instead of sandcastles, we could build an awesome fort out of branches and leaves. Think of all the amazing animals we'd see: sloths, jaguars, maybe even a panther. And the plants are super weird and cool, like ones that eat bugs.
Bugs that eat plants? You mean plants that eat bugs?
Yeah, it's like a real-life adventure movie. We could go on a night walk and see fireflies, or listen to all the strange sounds of the jungle. It would be way more exciting than just lying on the beach.
Okay, you've convinced me. A tropical forest it is. Let's tell our families we're going on an adventure.